What's going on, guys? It's Rylan with Rylan's Amazing Photography, and welcome to today's video where I'm doing some wildlife photography. Hopefully we'll see some birds, some deer, maybe some turkey, squirrel. Heck, if we're lucky, maybe we'll see a fox or coyote or something unique. That will be extremely exciting. I know there's been deer that's been coming through around this time, probably in about an hour the past couple of weeks, so maybe we'll see one of them. I'm set up with a Nikon D500 and the Nikkor 200 to 500, which gives me an extra 1.5 crop because it's a full frame lens and a crop sensor camera. So I'm going to be patient and hopefully we'll see some stuff, and stay tuned. Favorite snake in the whole wide world has just shown up. Ain't he a cutie or what? I think he's hunting because he's just sitting there. So like, I want to see him like kill something. Can you imagine how good of a picture that would be? Like if he caught a chipmunk and just started eating the chipmunk. That'd be pretty sick. Yeah. The snake is now gone. In case you're wondering what it was, it's called a southern black racer. I've seen that same snake back here before. It was seen in a previous video as well. There's some birds down here. It's just North American robins, and I believe there was a brown thrasher as well. That was the direction that the snake was headed, actually, down here. So it would be pretty cool if it was like, if it catches a bird or something. Like, I would really love to see that. I don't know if that's what that snake does though. It might be more of rodents. I don't know what they eat. But that would be cool to see, I think. Hopefully it doesn't crawl into the building that I'm in, or that would be bad. Some time, probably about 30 minutes to an hour has passed since we last saw the snake, and obviously there was those robins and stuff out, but I haven't seen any other birds or anything since then either. I believe it's about midday. I think it's 12:45. So usually the past couple of days, anywhere between 12 and 1:30, there's been deer that have been running out from back in the structure down into here. So that's what I'm hoping is going to happen. It might not happen at all, I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to stay back here till about 1:30, then I'm going to call it a day. Hopefully we'll see some more birds or something before then, to make this video worth your time. We've been doing a lot of wildlife photography and landscape photography recently, and I've really enjoyed it. I've not been in my office as much. The lens review on the Nikkor 24-70 is coming exceptionally soon. It's probably going to be next week. I know I said it would either be this week or next week. It's probably going to be next week. It probably won't be this week. So yeah, hopefully we'll see some more birds or animals, and I'll get to take some really good pictures. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. This pretty much sums it up. It wasn't very, there wasn't a whole lot of stuff or anything unique. There was a scarlet tanager. That was the last thing that I seen. We seen a brown thrasher. I don't think I got any video or photos of it though. We seen some robins, and we seen the snake. That's pretty much about it for today's video. I really appreciate you all watching. Wasn't the most exciting video that we've ever had. Probably the best wildlife photography video I've ever had. You can click right here to go and watch it. It was incredible. We seen turkey and deer and birds. It was an amazing video. You should definitely check that out if you like this one. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't ever subscribed to the channel. That would help me out a whole lot. Share this video around with your friends. That would also help me. As I say and as I always say, I hope you guys have an amazing day.